Peace and blessings, everyone. How you all doing? This is Ibra Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. All right, today I'm going to do a part 3 video on growing potatoes in containers. All right, and before we get started, please like and subscribe to our channel, like our video. Please share with your family and friends. All right, so what we have here are the same potatoes that we planted in part 2 in the container we filled up. And what you could see is that our potatoes have started to leaf. Okay, you can see the leaves right here. Now we have potatoes throughout the container. These potatoes have came up first. These are actually red potatoes. So we have red potatoes and purple potatoes planted in here, sort of get a succession harvest. But all we're going to do now that we have our potatoes up to this level, and so we can continue to get growth, we're just going to take soil, and in the ground they will say healing. They will say they were healing their potatoes. But we're just going to take soil and we're going to add soil over our leaves. All right, and we will add soil all the way around the whole container to where we'll have this whole level covered. We'll probably add soil up to about this level right here. And from there, I'll mulch it off. And what will happen is that, as explained earlier, these leaves are almost like nodes, and potatoes will fruit from these leaves, and we will have potatoes growing in the container. So once again, we're just simply going to cover the leaves. As they grow, you will continue to heal them. Add more soil, add more soil. Basically, the more you heal them, the more potatoes you're going to get from your growing bed or your growing container. But this is very simple, part 3 on growing potatoes in a container. If you have any questions, please leave comments. Please contact us at the Black Urban Gardening Society at gmail.com. If you want to send us an email, or check us out on Facebook, the Black Urban Gardening Society, Instagram, Black Urban Gardening Society as well. But thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe to our channel once again. And this is the third part of growing potatoes in a container, or growing potatoes even in the ground. It's the same process. You're simply going to plant your potatoes. Once they sprout leaves, you're going to continue to heal your potatoes. And the more you heal them, the more growth you're going to get, and the potential larger harvest that you will have. So this is it. Remember, the food you grow is the food you know. Thank you guys for checking us out. Thank you guys for contributing to the long-term sustainability of this earth by growing your own food. I want you guys to know that that is an extremely revolutionary act, and I commend you for it. Peace.